Hello friends. Welcome to my channel. Today, I'm here to introduce a brand new course. This course is ideal for PHP developers aiming to elevate their debugging skills to an expert level. If you're looking to master Xdebug's full potential for troubleshooting, performance tuning, and test analysis, this guide is tailored just for you. With over 1,000 students and a 4.4 rating, this is a practical and proven course. The total duration is 4.5 hours, and the current discounted price on Udemy is about €10. By purchasing this course, you will have lifetime access to it and benefit from future updates. In this course, you will learn how to understand Xdebug, dive into its mechanics and functionality. Setting up Xdebug, quick steps for installation and configurations with PHP Storm and VS Code. How to debug efficiently, use Xdebug to swiftly identify and rectify bugs. Test case debugging with Xdebug, get in-depth insights and solutions for your test cases. Upgrading var_dump with develop mode, a hands-on guide for superior code inspection. And many more topics. Now I have an exciting offer for you. I want to provide this valuable course to you for free and completely legally. To see how it works, first subscribe to our channel and add this video to your watch list. Then, open your browser and search for kuoncenter5.com on Google. In the results shown, click on the link. Make sure the website address matches exactly with what is shown here and you are directed to kuoncenter5.com. After clicking the link, you'll arrive at the homepage of the site. On this website, you can find a variety of course discount coupons. Use the search bar to find the course you are looking for. You'll then be able to view the course on the page. To claim the discount coupon, scroll down and click on the Go to the Course button. The course will be available to you for free. Please note that coupons are time-limited. Now, with just a few clicks, you've got free and legal access to the course. If this video was helpful to you, like and subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.